Hi, this is Arti from VRAcademi, and we are going to use the Notes tool. The Notes tool is located on the top right of your screen above the basic shapes. So Notes, we use them in order to make our life easier, so as to remember things or tell our colleagues something. So you can use the Notes tool in order to remind yourself why you added a specific object to a specific place when your project has been very complex, or leave a note for your colleagues so that they can continue your work. So in order to use the Notes tool, you take it and you drag it to a specific point in your design. So for example, I could say that for this building, this would be imagine that this is a school. This could be the STEM center of the school, and this might be the school labs, and this part over here would be the classes and the reception. So you can add as many notes as you wish in your design, and you can move them around and place them where you want them to be, and click on them in order to see what you have added. So each one shows what you have labeled it to say. If you decide that you don't need the notes anymore, you can always click on them and then click on the right part, this bin, and this note will be deleted. Do you think that notes would be helpful for your design? If you do, use them and they will make your life easier. So if you liked my video, please like and subscribe in VRAcademi's YouTube channel. Thank you.